Hi, and this is live. We wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how to use the onboarding form in order for you to have the best page you can have on the EcoMotion 2020 virtual event platform. So you will get this form. Share my screen so you can see it as I go. And this is what you need to fill out now. You will get this form. It's very easy. All you need to do is put the content in, and in the end, we'll create a page like this for you. This page will be your page in the EcoMotion Virtual Startup Exhibition, which we're working a lot on for you to have exposure to the world. This is going to be one layer of the different things that will happen at the main event, and this is how you look online. So make sure you mind your spelling, make sure you write to the point, and this is just to explain what will go where. So here you will have your logo, the logo of your startup, your company, and here a short description. You want to write something that is to the point here, because down here you have a place for a longer description, which is called the page content. In this area, you can put a video. You want to have a short video that goes to the point and shows about your technology and about what you're doing, you're offering, something that people can see and learn about you if they don't want to read. Right here on the right, you will have a photo gallery. This photo gallery, you want to put pictures that can tell your story in one shot. Let's say one picture of all your partners, one picture of your investors, one picture of the product itself, one picture of the team, one picture of your offices. This is to tell your story through pictures. You will have 10 pictures that you can upload, and soon we'll be mindful here to the size that is set below. Here is the area where you will have all your contact details, and here you want to put the contact details of the main focus person of your company, the one that's getting all the income of reach outs and phone calls and emails and so forth. This is a very special button. This button was created as a button for a brochure, but it can really be anything, because what's special about this button is that you can edit the wording. So it can be download our brochure, it can be our white paper about something, it can be specs, it can be any type of PDF that you want to share with the world. Now here you will have all your company representatives that you choose to share on your page. These are the people that whoever is visiting your page virtually, they will be able to contact these people, chat with them, schedule meetings with them. So you want to make sure that these are the people at the forefront, the ones who are also most available to answer chats, because the platform will be live a week before the main event already. So you want to have people who will be attentive to their inbox on the system. Now, when you see this choose startup, the form adapts to the type of partner. Just so you know, we will have a Go Global exhibition, which is of all our country friends from all around the world. This exhibition will help you do business development outside of Israel and inside of Israel, and learn the new markets from all over the world, how to get in there, their automotive landscape and everything. And also all our partners, you'll be able to contact them through their own virtual exhibition. But let's focus on the startups for now. So you choose startup and you write here your name. And then what best defines you here? You can choose a few. So to define yourself. Then you click here. This is the participation fee for all startups from all around the world. This is the contact person information, the contact that EcoMotion will receive for the system, for anything we want to communicate about the virtual exhibition. And then here we have the organization contact information. Here is what I showed you on the top right, this area. This is the information you want to fill here. And any information here, please make sure you are correct. Double check spelling, numbers, everything. These are the links also to all your media addresses. So it would be easy to find more about you on social media and for everyone's use. Now, this is the part of all the attachments. Here you can see a few very important things. One, you have here all written out, the organization and the logo, exactly the recommended size of pixel, everything. The brochure, it must be 5 megabyte max, and only PDFs. The video must be uploaded to YouTube, and then you put here your YouTube URL. And the photos, make sure you see here again the size for each photo, how it should be. So then you can upload all of those here. And when I talk to you about the brochure, you select the PDF, you upload it here, and here you put the text for the button that you would like to activate this PDF. Now to the text part. Key phrase will be what appears on the main startup exhibition, on the main virtual startup exhibition. So you want something very short, 60 characters that in one sentence say who you're about. So if usually in the EcoMotion exhibition, we do it as a one-liner on your booth, this is your one-liner, and this is what will make people go into your page. This short description is what I showed at the top of the page, and the page content at the bottom right here. This is the short description and the page content. Now, organization representatives, these are the people you want to attach to your page. They don't need to be registered right now. All you need to do is put the name of the person and their email, and make sure that the email that you write here is the same email they will use later on to register onto the system. You have a space for 10 people. You don't have to fill them all out, but do fill at least a few so people can interact with your company. And this is the most important thing. And that's it. It's easy. You can pay with your credit card. Super easy. Email for invoice and receipt and submit. A tip that Neta already wrote inside the email is, one, write all the information you want for the short description and the page content on a side Word doc. We all know how the internet is, and please, so nothing goes missing, or a shortage of Wi-Fi while submitting and then the form goes away. So make sure you save all that information, and take a minute to think of how you usually do the pitch. Usually prepare a pitch for an exhibition of 1 minute, 3 minutes, 15 minutes. Think of this as your pitch. Write down, go through it, give someone that speaks a good English to go over your wording and to make sure it is done correctly. And when it is, then upload everything and submit it. Good luck, and we'll see you soon virtually, and stay safe and healthy.